What if I told you the smartest way to rank an AI search starts before you even build a site? Most people are auditing, optimizing, and deploying, but they are building on brand new domains. Starting from scratch today is like showing up to a championship fight with zero training, no history, no backlinks, no trust, and no footprint. AI search engines like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Bing Copilot, and Claude can detect a new site from a mile away. They are trained to trust signals like history, authority, mentions, backlinks, and citations. If you start from scratch, you are automatically playing catch-up. Here's where it gets interesting. What if you started with a domain that is already trusted, instead of starting from zero? Some trusted domains are already showing up inside Google AI overviews right now, already indexed, cited, mentioned, and linked to. That's exactly what this upgrade unlocks: your shortcut, your unfair advantage, your skip-the-line pass. We built a 24/7 expired domain engine that constantly scans the web for real-age domains, with built-in authority, not junk, and not spammed. These domains have existing high-quality backlinks, real history in Google's index, and have been cited in sources AI models pull from. The crazy part? Many of them are just sitting there, available for $10, less than lunch. Think about that. Instead of building trust for 6 to 12 months, you buy it. Instead of begging AI engines to notice you, you start with signals AI engines already recognize. We've already found dozens of expired domains that still show up in AI answers, and they are available right now. That's not theory, that's leverage. Let me break this down simply. A new domain means zero backlinks, zero authority, and slow indexing, ranking, and trust building. An expired domain with built-in authority is already indexed, trusted, carrying momentum, and, in some cases, appearing in AI responses. Which would you rather build on? Land in the middle of nowhere, or land that is already zoned, cleared, and pre-approved? Which grows faster? Exactly. This matters even more with AI search, because LLMs evaluate trust, authority, and signals across the web. When you start with an expired domain that already has those signals, you're 10 steps ahead before you even write content. Now imagine combining that with SerpSling AI. You stack momentum on top of momentum by starting with authority, then auditing, optimizing, and deploying. This is perfect for affiliate sites, local lead gen, rank and rent, client campaigns, agency builds, info products, and more. The domain is your foundation. If your foundation is strong, everything else moves faster. Inside this upgrade, you're unlocking full access to our entire expired domain database. Every new domain added daily, advanced filtering, full MOZ and majestic metrics, and one-click domain purchasing. Plus, bonuses like one-click done-for-you store publishing, agency rights, quick start guides, and our full blueprint for profiting with expired domains. Normally, this runs $97 per month, but right now you can lock this in at a massive one-time discount. Let's be real, you're already investing in ranking in AI search. Do you want to build on sand or build on rock? Starting with a weak domain means more work, more waiting, and more uncertainty. Starting with authority means less friction, faster traction, higher trust, and better visibility. In this AI search land grab phase, speed, momentum, and early positioning all matter. If you want the smartest shortcut you can get and want to start every project 10 steps ahead, then go below right now. Unlock the expired domain engine. Secure your unfair advantage. Start building on domains that AI already trusts. Don't start from zero. Start from leverage. Our ironclad guarantee: if you don't unlock massive AI search leverage, get your money back. Okay, we both know you've made a great move in purchasing SerpSling AI, right? But I need to share something with you right now, because it's going to completely change how you think about getting recommended in AI search. See, most people walk away from their AEO setup thinking, I'm done. My site is optimized. I'm ready. And they are, on one front. But there's a second front that almost everyone misses. And if you skip it, your optimization alone will only take you so far. Here's what I mean. AI engines like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Bing Copilot, and Perplexity. They don't only look at your website when they're deciding who to recommend. They look at your entire digital footprint. They're scanning the web looking for mentions, citations, references, proof that multiple sources across the internet recognize you as a credible, authoritative voice. Your optimized site is one signal, but citations across the web, that's a completely different signal, and it's the one that makes AI engines actually trust you. Think about it this way. When someone applies for a job, Having a polished resume is great. It tells the employer they have the right skills and experience. But what really lands the job? References, letters of recommendation, proof that other credible people are vouching for them. AI engines work the exact same way. Your optimized website is the resume, necessary, but not enough on its own. The citations across the web? Those are the letters of recommendation. That's what makes AI engines say, this source is real, this source is trusted, recommend them. And here's the hard truth. Right now, most people using AEO tools are only building the resume. They're optimizing their own site and stopping there. They're completely skipping the citations and leaving a massive gap in their authority. What does that mean in practice? Even if your site is perfectly optimized, if AI engines can't find your content mentioned and referenced anywhere else on the web, you're still operating at half the potential you should be. Your competitors who are building that web-wide citation presence, they're the ones who keep showing up. They're the ones getting recommended. And every single day you go without citations is a day someone else is building the authority that should be yours. That's exactly why we built SendLab. SendLab is the automated citation engine that takes your content and syndicates it across the web's top authority platforms, completely hands-free. You create the content. SendLab handles the distribution, and your authority footprint grows automatically every single day without you having to lift a finger. This is the piece that closes the final gap in your AEO strategy. Specifically, SendLab syndicates your content to 4 strategically selected platforms. X, formerly Twitter, one of the most heavily scraped and indexed platforms by every major AI model on the planet. When your content lives on X, AI engines take notice immediately. Pinterest, high domain authority, fast indexing, and citations that build value over time. Pinterest posts keep driving authority signals long after they're published. WordPress.com, the world's most trusted blogging platform. When your content is published here, it signals authority, expertise, and topical depth to ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, and Bing Copilot. And Blogger, Google's own blogging platform. Getting your content cited here carries serious weight and gets crawled fast. These 4 weren't picked randomly. They were chosen specifically because they have the highest AI authority signal, the most developer-friendly APIs for automation, and the deepest indexing across every major AI search engine. And this is just the start. We're adding more platforms as we expand. And here's what I love about SendLab. It's genuinely 3 simple steps. Step 1. Connect your accounts. Link your X, Pinterest, WordPress.com, and Blogger accounts to SendLab in just a few clicks. Fast setup, seamless integrations, and you only do it once. Step 2. Set up your projects. You can create up to 20 separate projects, each one with its own connected accounts, its own content, and its own posting schedule. Perfect for managing multiple sites, niches, or clients from one dashboard. Step 3. Syndicate. Feed your content in, set your schedule, and SendLab handles everything from there. Automated distribution across every connected platform. No manual posting, no copy-paste, just pure citation building on autopilot. Set it up once. Let it run. Watch your authority footprint grow. That 20-project system is worth pausing on for a second, because it's really powerful. Whether you're building out your own sites in multiple niches, running a small agency and managing client accounts, or just want to keep everything organized across different campaigns, the project system handles all of it cleanly. Each project has its own set of connected accounts, which means your content goes to the right places every time without anything getting mixed up. And with multiple accounts per project, you can stack citation signals from multiple sources, which is exactly what the AI engines want to see. Now here's where this gets really exciting, because we're making this incredibly easy to lock in during launch. First, during our launch window, we're including unlimited posting as a completely free bonus. No monthly posting cap, no limits on volume or frequency. Post as much content as you want, to as many projects as you want, with 0 restrictions. More post means more citations. More citations means more authority. More authority means more AI recommendations. Get as much of this as you possibly can. And second, we're waiving the recurring fee entirely for launch customers. SendLab normally carries a monthly fee to cover the server infrastructure, API maintenance, and continuous platform updates it requires. That's just the reality of running a live, always-on syndication tool. But today only, that fee is gone. You pay once. SendLab is yours to keep. No monthly bills, no annual renewals, no surprise charges down the road. This is a launch pricing decision, and it won't last forever. So let me just make sure we're clear on exactly what you're getting when you click the button below. You get full access to SendLab, the automated content syndication engine, with posting to X, Pinterest, WordPress.com, and Blogger. You get up to 20 separate projects, each with their own connected account sets for maximum organization and reach. You get unlimited posting included free during the launch window. You get the recurring fee completely waived, one-time investment, lifetime access. You get full commercial rights. Use SendLab for client projects and charge whatever you want. Build it into a service. Offer syndication as a monthly retainer and let the tool do all the work. And you're covered by our 30-day money-back guarantee. If SendLab doesn't deliver real authority citations building across your platforms, just reach out and we'll refund every penny. Here's the big picture. SerpSling AI gets you optimized. SendLab gets you cited. Together, they're the complete AEO stack, the one-two punch that takes you from AI ready to AI recommended. One handles the on-site signals. The other builds the off-site citations. Both are running. Both are growing your authority. Both are working for you 24 hours a day. That's how you win AI search for the long term. If you want the complete picture, if you want AI engines seeing you everywhere they look and having every reason to recommend you over anyone else in your space, click the button right below this video. Upgrade to SendLab right now. Lock in your one-time pricing before it changes and close the final gap in your AEO strategy. I'll see you on the inside.